Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best packing tape is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in any home or business, crucial for securing packages, organizing storage, and even tackling DIY projects with its reliable adhesion and durability. When you need to ensure your items arrive safely or your belongings are neatly stored, the quality of your packing tape can make all the difference, preventing frustrating spills or damaged goods during transit or while in storage. This video dives deep into what makes a packing tape truly stand out, helping you make an informed decision for all your sealing needs. Number 5. Ohayooz Extra Strong Double-Sided Tape. Experience superior sticking power with our heavy-duty tape. Its advanced nanopore technology provides 300% more adhesion than regular tape, effortlessly replacing traditional fasteners. Enjoy a clean, damage-free finish. This transparent tape adheres strongly without harming surfaces, making it ideal for a variety of applications. Cut it to any size you need for a perfect fit. Applying it is simple, just stick and press for a secure hold that's also easy to remove. Worried about damage or sticky residue? Don't be. This tape removes cleanly, leaving your walls and surfaces just as you found them. A hairdryer can assist with removal. From your living room to your kitchen, this tape sticks to almost any smooth surface. It's perfect for hanging pictures, posters, carpets, and countless other decorative items. Don't discard it when it gets dirty. Simply wash it to restore its incredible stickiness, making it a reusable and eco-friendly choice. What we like. This tape offers exceptional adhesion, making it ideal for heavy-duty applications. It's also washable and reusable, providing long-term value. If you're looking for a reliable solution for hanging items without causing damage, this is a great choice. What people say. It comes off easily no matter how much you've used, leaving no residue or marks. The adhesive has withstood wind, rain, snow, and sun, not to mention the constant opening and closing of the entrance door, without budging. Even a relatively thin strip of this product has kept these armrests completely steady now going on a week. Number 4. Ohayooz Extra Strong Double-Sided Tape. Discover the power of our extra strong double-sided tape. Its advanced nanotechnology provides a significantly stronger grip than ordinary tapes, ensuring a secure hold. This tape offers high transparency, allowing it to replace traditional fasteners like screws. It adheres strongly without damaging surfaces after removal. Easily cut it to any size or length you need. Simply apply it to the surface and apply gentle pressure for a powerful bond. Worried about residue? This removable tape comes off cleanly without damaging walls or surfaces. A hairdryer can assist in easy removal. Perfect for any smooth surface in your home, from living rooms to kitchens. Use it to hang pictures, posters, carpets, decorations, and much more. Don't discard it when dirty. Simply wash it to restore its stickiness and reuse it multiple times. It's a sustainable and cost-effective solution. What we like. With its superior adhesive power, this tape can hold items securely in place. Its transparent finish ensures it blends seamlessly with your decor. If you need a strong yet discreet mounting solution for your home or office, this tape is perfect. What people say. It sticks to multiple types of surfaces and is easy to remove after. No sticky residue left behind. Very strong and reliable. It holds items very well, it's easy to cut and easy to use. It can hold a good amount of weight. It's not sticky to your fingers, but it sticks and holds together whatever it is you're trying to use it for. The tape is extremely strong, clear, and easy to cut, and it sticks firmly to walls, carpets, and frames without slipping. I like that it feels durable and reliable for both light and heavier items around the house. Number 3. Balune Tape Runner Double-Sided Adhesive. Experience powerful adhesion that keeps your items securely in place for years to come. When you need supplies that hold up under any conditions, trust this tape. Each roll has undergone rigorous quality checks and development by leading experts. It's crafted to the highest standards, ensuring you receive a product we'd be proud to use ourselves. Our handy dispenser allows for precise application, reducing waste. The ergonomically designed applicator is easy to grip for everyone, making crafting a breeze. Discover its incredible practicality for a wide range of uses. It's perfect for securing cherished memories in scrapbooks, mounting photos, or for reliable everyday use. Say goodbye to damaging adhesives. This tape is acid-free and PAT approved, meaning it won't degrade or discolor your precious materials over time. Each cartridge provides 315 inches of reliable adhesive. You get a total of 5 cartridges, ensuring you have plenty for all your crafting and office needs. What we like. This option comes with a convenient dispenser for easy and precise application, minimizing waste. It's also acid-free, making it safe for delicate materials. If you're a crafter or scrapbooker who values precision and material preservation, this tape runner is an excellent pick. What people say. It applies the adhesive perfectly and is a joy to use. Handy, well-made, sticks very well on origami paper. Perfect addition to your journal. Helps with adding or making stickers. Perfect size for journal bag and it retracts. Number 2. HIPPIE Crafter Clear Double-Sided Tape. Experience powerful, transparent adhesion with this heavy-duty tape. It's perfect for a wide range of projects, from crafting to securing carpets. This versatile tape sticks firmly to surfaces like wood, carpet, and marble. It's your go-to solution for various repair and craft needs. Enjoy the convenience of a strong bond that removes cleanly. It won't damage surfaces, making it ideal for posters and temporary decorations. Its thin design makes it perfect for applications where a low profile is key. Use it for posters, scrapbooking, or keeping items perfectly flat. Choose HIPPIE Crafter, a family-owned American business dedicated to professional-grade art supplies. We stand by our exceptional customer service. What we like. This tape boasts an extra-wide design and a generous length, perfect for larger projects. Its heavy-duty nature ensures it can handle demanding tasks. If you have big projects like installing carpets or mounting large items, this wide tape will get the job done efficiently. What people say. This is great tape for the platform in a 3D printer. I have tried hairspray, contact cement, various glue types, and other double-sided tapes. This is the best. This tape is very thin, essentially it's a thin film with robust adhesive on both sides. It isn't easy to get off because it's not supposed to come off. I use it for mounting things where the thickness of many kinds of double-sided tape would be a big problem. This tape is super sticky. It sticks to anything including the wood. Use very small pieces and it works wonderful. But just be careful, it sticks to everything but it does not leave a sticky residue. Number 1. Art 3D Double-Sided Mounting Tape. Introducing the Art 3D Double-Sided Mounting Tape, your ultimate solution for secure and damage-free mounting. This versatile tape is designed for a wide range of applications. Crafted with advanced gel acrylic material, it boasts an adhesion strength 3 times greater than regular adhesive tapes. You can trust it to hold your item securely in place. Utilizing cutting-edge nanomicromolecular technology, this tape is not only removable and residue-free but also reusable after a simple wash. It's an eco-friendly choice for your mounting needs. Say goodbye to screws and nails. This tape provides a damage-free alternative, ensuring your walls and attached objects remain pristine. It leaves no trace upon removal. Perfect for home, office, or car use, it's ideal for hanging items, fixing appliances, installing wall panels, and securing carpets. Its adaptability makes it an essential tool for any household. What we like. Utilizing advanced gel acrylic technology, this tape provides strong adhesion while being completely damage-free upon removal. It's also recyclable, aligning with eco-conscious choices. If you prioritize a strong hold that won't harm surfaces and appreciate sustainable options, this tape is a smart selection. What people say. The stickiness is great, strong enough to secure fabric, decorations, or small items firmly in place, but not so aggressive that it damages surfaces when removed properly. Very easy to cut and apply. It peels cleanly and doesn't tangle or stick to itself too much while handling. Extremely rent-friendly. These work better than command hook tape but come off cleaner and easier. You can cut them to size. I have used it for 2 projects putting up fake walls and it has held them up amazing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.